Hi, I'm Sophie and welcome to my world. Well, I have been doing a lot of Lego parties lately, and in trying to find different kind of fun things to do, I'm always on the internet searching for stuff. And I came across this really fun, flexible tape. And it's like a Lego tape. And what's really cool about it is that you can flex it and you can do all kinds of stuff with it. And I thought that this would be great for crafting. So I wanted to do a try it, don't buy it for you to show you what I discovered about this tape. Now, this here is called Build Bonanza brand. And Build Bonanza brand, as far as I can tell, only comes in 1-inch widths. It comes in lengths of like 3 feet, and the backs of them peel off and then has a sticky back. So what's cool about this is you can take this, and I've got a picture frame here, and I'm going to stick it on my picture frame, and you just stick it on there, and then you can cut it with a pair of regular scissors. So you can just cut it with a pair of regular scissors, and then as you can see, you can take your Legos and just start sticking them on. And it's really pretty fun. Oops, pretty fun, and it's pretty cool. And it works pretty darn well. The Legos stick, and they are pretty solid in doing so once you get them on the actual place. There you go. And they're nice, and they're pretty solid, and they look really good. So for straightaways and for stickability, this Build Bonanza brand is really, really quite good. There's another brand that I tried, and that is this Meka brand. Now, here's the thing about the Meka brand that's cool. It comes in many different widths. It's got this one that is 2 inches, so it's 4 little nubbies along. And it also has on the back of it like a sticky thing that you can pull off, the sticker tape. Here's the thing, though. I could not, for the life of me, get this sticker stuff to come off. And so basically what this becomes to me is completely useless. And so even though, you know, these do stick, you know, they stick on there like that, the Legos stick, what am I going to do with it? I mean, I guess I can lay it flat, or I can put glue on it, but because it's silicone, I need like a silicone-based glue. So for me personally, this is not the best. Now, one thing I did want to let you know, I tried to make jewelry out of these flexible things. I thought that this would be really cool to make into like a bracelet. But here's what I learned. You can't use anything bigger than either the doubles or the singles because they pop right off. And because if you're like making it arc, it just pops right off because one part is sticking off. But even with these little doubles and singles and things like that, when you're trying to make it into a bracelet, they pop off. So that's not really going to be a good use of this. It's not going to be great for making jewelry. However, this Build Bonanza brand, I found, had a really nice sticky backing, and it was really good for doing flat crafting, like picture frames. So what does that take us to? Okay, it takes us to try it, don't buy it, Meka. I say, don't buy it. Try it, don't buy it, Build Bonanza brand. I'd say, try it. And for more try it, don't buy it, check us out at Sophie-World.com.